Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send Ethereum from Binance to RONIN. Now, in order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to type binance.com. After that, you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you need to hover over to the Wallet tab in the top, and after that, you need to click on Fiat and Support. Once you have done that, you will be landed on this page where you will have to click on this withdraw button in the top, and then you will be landed on this withdraw crypto page. Now over here you will have to first select the coin, which in our case is Ethereum. After selecting Ethereum, it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get this address, you will have to open your MetaMask app, or you can even click on MetaMask icon in the top. Here you will have to first select the Ethereum network, and after selecting the Ethereum network, you are going to see this address in the top. So you will have to just copy this address and you need to paste it over here. After that, in the network, you will have to select it as ERC20, which is Ethereum network. Then you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to withdraw from here. After that, you need to click on this withdraw button in the bottom, and then you will be landed on the next page where you are going to see that your withdrawal is successful. Now you cannot directly transfer your Ethereum from Binance to RONIN. So what we are doing here is we are transferring the Ethereum to your MetaMask account first, and from there we are going to transfer it to RONIN. Now once you have Ethereum in your MetaMask account, you just have to click on the RONIN extension in the top, and then you will have to click on deposit. After that, you need to click on continue to purchase, and once you do this, you will be redirected on this page. Now over here, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner, and then you will have to click on apps. Then you need to click on bridge. Once done, you will be redirected on roninchain.com, where you will have to click on connect wallet. After that, you will have to click on Ronin extension. Then you will have to click on next and connect. Now after connecting it, you are going to see the Ethereum in your account. So you will have to click on Ethereum, and then you will have to select MetaMask over here. After connecting it, you will have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to convert into RONIN, and this way you will be able to easily send Ethereum from Binance to RONIN. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.